welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I have a really fun, quick DIY gift idea to share with you. I'm going to show you how you can take your favorite family recipes and create this adorable cutting board decor. Now I'm doing two different cutting boards like this, and I'm also going to show you this really fun idea, just creating a cookbook stand with a measuring chart. Now for this project, I am using Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. I'm not planning on putting these in the dishwasher because these are just decor items, but I want them to be durable and wipeable since they are going to be in the kitchen. For this project, I did create my own version of the recipes using some photo software, and then I got them printed at a local copy shop. So what you're gonna wanna do is measure the size of your cutting board that you get, and then just design your recipe to fit on there. All right, this is a super easy project, so let's just dive right in and make this cute DIY gift. I'm starting with some wood blanks. I picked these up at the craft store, and I created my graphics on the computer using my family's recipes. For the backgrounds, you can do several different colors. You can see how I changed the background colors. So just play around with your design. I'm attaching everything with Mod Podge Dishwasher Safe. I'm not putting these in the dishwasher. They're only decorative. But with this formula, they'll be very durable. I made color copies of my recipes and I sized them to fit my cutting boards. Go ahead and cut out your image and double check the size. Then you're gonna apply the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge to the back of the paper and make sure you get the edges and the corners. Then go ahead and place it right onto your cutting board and then smooth with your fingers to remove any air bubbles. I'm gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna do 3 top coats of the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. That's 3 top coats with dry time in between, and that will make it very wipeable and cleanable. Again, these are decorative only, so I'm not using them for food, and I'm not putting them in the dishwasher. Look how cute this turns out, a custom cookbook holder. Okay, now let's move on to our long skinny one. For that one, I'm gonna paint the back of it with some green folk art paint. And I'm just painting that going in one direction onto the entire cutting board. This is a craft cutting board. You can find these in the craft section where all the wood pieces are. So this is not a food grade cutting board, it's more for decorative purposes. Once the whole thing is dry, you want to let your paint dry for a good couple of hours. You're going to apply that Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge to the back of your paper and then do the same thing. Just place it right on down, smooth with your fingers, and again, I did 3 top coats here. Thanks to finish so much for joining I'm me just today, guys. Remember, I did use right Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge on this. These are decor items. They're not regular cutting boards for cutting your vegetables on. But with this formula, they're going to be very kitchen friendly and you're going to be able to wipe them clean. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a great time crafting for the holidays. For the Mom's Chocolate Chip Cookie Board, I'm going to do a dry brush with some white multi-surface paint. I'm adding paint to my brush, tapping it off, and then I'm just lightly painting over the surface. I just wanted to give it a little bit of a wash, kind of a light rustic look. Then I'm going to let that dry for a good couple of hours, and then we're ready to repeat the process of adding the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge to the back of the paper, placing the paper down and smoothing with my fingers. I'm going to wait about 20 minutes and then I'm going to top coat with 3 top coats. To finish it off, I'm just adding a bow to the top. Look how cute this turns out. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Remember, I did use Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge on this. These are decor items. They're not regular cutting boards for cutting your vegetables on. But with this formula, they're going to be very kitchen friendly and you're going to be able to wipe them clean. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a great time crafting for the holidays.